introduce yourself.
So my name is Margaret. I'm from Kenya. I am a software developer here at Esokia. I'm currently working within the mobile team.
What's your educational background?
I have a bachelor's degree with honours from Glasgow Caledonian University in Scotland.
What are your day-to-day tasks?
Okay, so first of all, when I come into office, the first thing is to coffee up, and then from then I definitely check my emails. I look at what my tasks for the day are. I set out what I need to do and prioritize what's important, and then I also collaborate with my team. We have meetings, we have stand-ups every day, and we talk about what we have accomplished and what we are looking to accomplish, any roadblocks that we had. I also collaborate with my team when they have difficulties or when I have difficulties, and then we can brainstorm and come up with solutions. Another thing is to also just give feedback on the challenges that we may have experienced or areas that we feel could also be improved in the tasks that we are working on, and also sometimes consult with the design team to just see how we can best deliver the best product. And finally, every once in a while, we also scope out client needs and then suggest to them a framework sort of in which we can deliver the best product to them.
Why did you choose Esokia?
So the reason I chose Esokia was because of the opportunities for growth. So given that Esokia works on different projects for different clients at different times, which means you're exposed to a wide range of challenges and a wide range of opportunities for you to improve your skills. There's also another thing that Esokia offers for upskilling, where you get to learn new technologies as they come. And so in terms of upskilling and even growing and creating impact, this would provide me probably one of the best opportunities for me to use my skills and also grow them.
If you had to describe Esokia in a few words?
Work hard, play hard. So the kind of effort that everybody within the teams puts in when it comes to working on the tasks that they're expected to work on, and even collaborate and help each other grow and just make sure that we are shipping the best product, offering the best services, is just impressive to watch. And to see people also put in the same effort when it comes to other activities that we participate in, like games, or when we're celebrating different cultures on the holidays, and also even the monthly competitive breakfasts. People put in so much effort into these activities, and so it's impressive to see that people do work hard but also play hard. So it creates a really great work-life balance.
What are your main professional challenges?
So I'd say one of my main professional challenges is rapid technology advancement. So we are in an era where technology is just evolving too quickly. So sometimes you have to really be adept and be able to learn new skills, learn new technologies, forget the old way of doing things. So sometimes it can really pose as a challenge, but on the other hand, it's also an advantage because it doesn't get boring. You're constantly challenged to learn new things, and therefore you're not always just in your comfort zone. But sometimes it can definitely be daunting.
What was your best moment?
One of my best moments has to be the game nights. I'm a very competitive person, and I grew up around very competitive people who are gamers. So I think my biggest highlight in Esokia has been the game night where we compete for the cup of the best gamer, and I participated. I lost, however, not without a fight, but definitely that was such an amazing experience. Yeah.
What's your secret passion?
For my secret passion, I want to say trying out different recipes online, but 9 out of 10 times they backfire, so maybe not so great. However, I do love exploring digital art. It's just amazing to see how creatives have put themselves out there and shared such great content, and you just get really drawn in and immersed into the art, and it really relaxes me.
Your philosophy or your motto?
So my philosophy or motto is: a good idea is an orphan without effective communication. So whatever great idea you may have, it's essential to just always make sure that you're communicating it fully, and that you're open to feedback, that you're open to receiving questions and even asking a lot of questions, just so that you make sure that whatever idea you're putting forward, whatever dream that you have, is being received the way you want it to be received, and therefore that increases the chances of it being successful or coming out as what you expected it or hoped for it to be.
Esokia, Innovative Digital Agency.